Good morning, students. Welcome to our math class. Guys, today we are going to discuss about number. Okay, but we'll start with learn about the number. So first of all, I would like to ask few questions. Guys, parts of body. I hope you all know parts of the body. So tell me, how many nose do you have? How many nose do you have? हमारे पास कितने नाक होते हैं? Yes, I have only one nose. Come on, touch your nose and say, I have only one nose. Means हमारे पास सिर्फ एक नाक होती है. Okay? How many neck do you have? Yes, of course. I have only one neck in our body. हमारी बॉडी में सिर्फ एक गर्दन होती है. So say one more time. I have only one neck. How many tongues? Think about it. Yes, I have only one tongue. So you have only one nose, one neck and one tongue. Got it? So it's very easy. So today we are going to learn about number 1. So when start counting anything, okay, like if I have bundles of colors, if I have lots of ice cream, anything, whatever you want, anything I have. So if I you can say that is the starting of the beginning of number 1. So what is this? Yes, this is the one teddy bear. Okay, this is the one. So teddy bear. So if I say I have one candy, okay, this is one candy. So you have to say I have one candy. Okay, now one more thing. What is this? Can you guess it? Yes, of course. This is a very favorite thing to all of you. This is a one ball. Okay, this is the one ball. So this is the number 1. So we are going to learn more about number 1, but after that मैंने तो अभी ये 3 एग्जाम्पल्स आपको देते हैं. इसके अलावा वो कोई भी चीज़ अगर आपको वो एक बार दिखाई देती है तो यू कैन से दिस इज द वन एंड जो भी थिंग का नाम है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. I am going to start how to write number 1 with the help of a very simple stroke. Okay, so let's start how to write number 1. You must having a mass copy. So you have boxes like this, just look at these boxes I have already drawn for you. We have called blocks. These types of boxes we have called blocks, like one square. Have you seen this? One square is called one block. One square is called one block. Okay, so there are so many blocks and you will be write number 1 in these blocks. So we are going to learn about number 1. So children, whenever you will be write number 1 or any number, will start from the middle of the block and we will go down till the end of the block. Okay, so you will touch the bottom line of the block. So now look at this. I am started from the middle of the block and come down the bottom. Got it? Let's do it again. I am starting from the middle of the block and come down with the bottom. This is the number 1, and trust me guys, Number 1 pattern is very easy as well as other number, so must having, and just write it. Let's start from the middle of the box and come down with the bottom. Okay, this is the number 1. आप इजीली घर में कर सकते हो अपनी मैथ्स कॉपी में. इफ़ यू हैव नो मैथ्स कॉपी, इट डजंट मैटर, you have only rough copy, you can easily draw these types of boxes and you can write number 1 and whatever you want, any number. You can also use these types of copy. This is the number 1. Okay, so very simple. हम मिडिल से स्टार्ट करते हैं और बॉटम तक एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन करते हैं. Okay, this is the number 1, isn't it? बहुत easy है. You can draw very easily. Okay, for your betterment and identification, accept these pattern. I have to come one more example. Circle the number 1. I have already write सम नंबर्स. आपको इसमें 1 नंबर को आइडेंटिफाई करके सर्किल करना है. सो फर्स्टली विल स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट लाइन. द फर्स्ट नंबर इज 5, देन 1, देन 3. इज़ वेरी इजी फॉर आइडेंटिफिकेशन. हम सब जैसा कि आप पैटर्न में लिख चुके हो, इन बॉक्सेस के अंदर लिख चुके हो, तो आपको बहुत इजीली पता है कि 1 हम कैसे लिखते हैं. तो येस, दिस इज द नंबर 1. सो आई हैव मेड अ सर्किल. वन मोर. 1, 8, 6. Where is 1? Yes, this is the 1. Okay, similarly you can also make a circle. After these exercises, I have to come one more exercise. Match the thing with number 1. I have drawn some pictures like 2 stars, 3 balls and 1 tree and 1 लिखा हुआ है. आपको इसमें से 1 पिक्चर, कौन से पिक्चर से 1 टाइम बनी है उसे काउंट करके उसको मैच करना है. ओके, स्टार 2 है, बॉल्स 3 हैं, ट्री, यस, दिस इज ओनली 1 ट्री. सो मैच द ट्री विद नंबर 1. ओके, सो दीज आर द एक्सरसाइजेज and you know very well how to write number 1 with the use of one very easy pattern, standing line. Okay, after the completion of written parts, let's move the one more exercises for you. Now this is the worksheet. Guys, you can do only one thing in a very simple way. अभी तो मैंने जो आपको एक्सरसाइज दी है उसको मैंने डॉट्स के थ्रू दिया है because this is your first class. So firstly you can do draw the lines and you make number 1. After that आप अपनी कॉपी लीजिए और उसमें नंबर 1 विदाउट डॉट बनाइए. ओके, तो इससे आपकी 1 की प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. आई होप यू लाइक दिस. टुमारो आई विल कम. हैव अ नाइस डे.